Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Getcontact. You will click on settings. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above in this sign you will search about the application of Getcontact. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop, you will click OK. Then you will go to storage. After that you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.